Hi guys, my name is Osmareli. If you're interested in watching this eyebrow tutorial with just one pencil and some concealer, keep on watching. I'm using this little brush just to brush my eyebrow in the right direction. Now I'm using this eye pencil. What I'm basically doing is I'm shaping the brow with the eye pencil in the shape that I want my brow to look. Remember guys, your brows are just sisters, not twins. Now I'm using the brush again, just to make sure that it's blended. Can you see that little gap there? I can see it too. So I'm going back with a pencil over my eyebrow to make sure that there's no gap. Now I'm using this brush again to keep on blending. Now I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer to shape and perfect the brow. Now I'm going to use this little brush to conceal under my eyebrow and above the eyebrow. What I'm basically doing with this little brush is making sure that the concealer is blended as well. And once again, I'm blending. I'm basically redoing all of the steps until I'm satisfied with my eyebrows. I decided to go back in with the pencil just to sharpen the brow some more. Simple, wasn't it? I'm done guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel and do a thumbs up.